In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder on Doordash and use Doordash. If you have a favorite meal you keep coming back to, reordering on Doordash is the quickest way to get it again without rebuilding your cart from scratch. I'll walk you through the process on both the app and the website, and I'll also show you how Doordash can help you add items from nearby stores to the same delivery. Start by opening the Doordash app on your phone or heading to the Doordash website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your past purchases. From there, go to the Orders tab. On the app, you'll usually find it along the bottom menu. On the website, look near the top of the page or under your account menu. This section keeps a history of what you've ordered before, including restaurants, items, and dates. Next, browse your past orders and pick the one you want again. It helps to tap into the order details to confirm it's exactly what you remember: sizes, add-ons, and any customizations. Keep in mind that menus and prices can change, and some items may be temporarily unavailable. If something has changed, you'll be able to adjust it in your cart. When you're ready, tap Reorder. Doordash will automatically add the items from that previous order to your cart, saving you time. This is especially handy if you consistently choose the same options. After everything loads, take a moment to review the cart. You can remove items you don't want this time, tweak quantities, or edit customizations so your order matches your current preferences. Before you check out, confirm your delivery address, delivery method, and estimated time. Add any delivery instructions for your driver and verify your payment method and tip. If you're scheduling the delivery, choose a time that works best for you. Once it all looks right, proceed to checkout and place your order. Here's a helpful tip: consider using Doordash. With Doordash, you can add items from nearby stores like a convenience shop or a dessert spot to your current order without paying an additional delivery fee. Look for the Doordash prompt or banner after you've started your main order. Keep an eye on any minimum order requirements or store-specific limitations because those can vary. Items from your second stop are bundled into the same delivery, which is great for grabbing extras like drinks, snacks, or a last-minute side without placing a separate order. That's it. Reordering takes just a few taps, and Doordash can make your delivery even more convenient. Enjoy your meal.